Hello children, today we will be starting with Unit 5, that is Conditional Constructs in Java. We will be discussing firstly about the various program constructs. The program constructs, the way in which a program can be written, can be subdivided into sequence, selection, and iteration. So programming constructs can either be sequential, they can either be selection, or they can either be iteration. Sequence means the normal flow of construct. When all the statements of a program are executed one by one from beginning to end, we refer to as sequential construct. When we have to select, when there is a condition, then selection constructs come into being. Examples are the if construct and the switch construct. And when some statements are to be repeated again and again, then it is called as iteration. There are three loops: for loop, while loop, and do while loop. Also, there are certain statements like break, exit, continue, and return. These are used to break a particular construct and move our control to a specific location, or rather move our control out of a loop. So we will be dealing with all these things one by one now. Up till now we have been doing simple programs which shows the sequential construct. That means all the statements are written and we are going to execute the statements one after the other. Now in this chapter we will be dealing with the selection constructs, that is if else and switch case. So the if construct, the syntax of the if construct is: if a condition is given in brackets, if this condition is true, then the set of statements immediately following it is executed. This is the if construct. If I say the if else construct, then there has to be an else condition also. If condition, the set of statements following it will be executed if this condition is true, but if this condition is false, then the statements after the else will be executed. So the basic difference between the if construct and the if else construct is that there is no else part here. If this condition is false, the control automatically comes to the next line after the if statement. But here I do not want the control to execute all the statements. Only a certain set of statements are to be executed if the condition is false. So for that we require the if else construct. Now there can be nested if also and if else if also. So this is the first time how it is used. This is the second time how it is used. In the third time it is written like this: if condition, then these statements are followed if this condition is true, else if condition, then these statements are followed, else these statements are followed. So there are two conditions. This is called as if else if ladder. If the first condition is true, then these are executed. Else if the second condition is true, condition 2, this is condition 1, then these statements are executed. Else if both the conditions are false, then these statements are executed. This is how the if else if ladder works. The fourth is nested if. How? If condition 1, then again inside the brackets I am writing if condition 2, then this is to be executed. Otherwise this is closed. That means only if this condition 1 and this condition 2 are true, then these statements are to be executed. Otherwise the control comes to the next statement following the if statement. This is how nested if is executed. This is how it is written. Now there is one statement called as system.exit0. Sometimes we need to terminate a program even if all the statements have not been executed. The function system.exit0, this function is used when we want to terminate the execution at any instance. Whether the condition is true or false, it does not matter. But if at any instance we want the execution to stop, then this system.exit0 statement is given. It is for the unusual termination of the program. Let us see how it works. If I write here, if n is less than 0, SOPLN, I am writing system.out.println in short form. Please write in full form. It is a negative number. SOPLN, program terminates. And then system dot exit 0. Else, in else part I am doing SOPLN print n into n. The square of the number is being printed. If it is a negative number, I am not printing the square. I am just printing this message and I am exiting from the program. Otherwise I am printing the square. So this statement will take our control out of the program. The program will not be continued. So this is a new function which I have taught you. If else you have done in class 9th as well. Now there is one condition known as dangling if and else. What is this condition? A situation in which the number of if statements appear to be more than the else statements. And so the else cannot associate itself with the if it belongs to is known as dangling if and else. If and else situation. What does this mean? If I am writing if else, if I have made a if else ladder, that means each else should have its corresponding if to which it can attach to. But in some cases the number of if is more and the number of else is less. So each else cannot associate itself to the corresponding if. Such a case is known as dangling if else. It gives an error message on the screen. Okay, this is called as dangling if and else. Okay children, now let us do a few programs using these if statements. Now this is the first program which I have written over here. I will explain it to you slowly. Read the program. Write a program to input a character. Check and print whether it is a capital letter, a small letter or a digit. So first we will be using the scanner class. So I have written the first statement as import java.util.asterisk. Now I have kept the class name as check. Then public static void main string args scanner sc equals to new scanner system.in. Then a character variable is to be declared char ch. Enter a character. When we have to enter a character using the scanner class object, this is the statement which is to be written sc.next.char@0 and it is to be stored in the variable ch. Now this ch is to be checked for capital letter, small letter and digit. So I am doing this here. If ch is greater than equal to a and ch is less than equal to z, then system.out.println ch is a capital letter. Else if, I am removing all these braces here. See, else if ch is greater than equal to small a and ch is less than equal to small z, then system.out.println, it is a small letter. Else if ch is greater than equal to 0 and ch is less than equal to 9, then system.out.println, it is a digit. Else you have to print it is neither an alphabet nor a digit. So this is the program, and this is end of main and end of the class. 2 braces in the end. So let us see whether this program runs correctly or not. I am saving it with the name check.java. I'll go to command prompt now. Java C check.java. No errors. Java check. This is for execution. Enter a character, small a. It is a small letter. It is giving correct answer. Java check. Capital W. It is a capital letter. Again 7. It is a digit. Let me say any other character. An equal to sign. It is neither an alphabet nor a digit. So all the 4 cases are correct. Our program is absolutely correct. I hope you all must have understood this program. I'll be giving you a few programs for assignment now. All of you have to do these questions in your notebooks. Thank you, children.